Hello guys, thank you for having me. My name is Jessie Motivator and I am going to be speaking to you today about concentration. To begin, focus is important because that's more helpful to our studies. Future is finally something that we can now put into focus. The key to success is to focus our conscious mind on things we desire, not things we fear. The more focused you are, the more successful you will be. A little progress each day adds up to big result. Focusing on studies can be challenging, but there are several strategies you can implement to improve your concentration and productivity. Here are some effective tips for you. Create a dedicated study space. Find a quiet, comfortable place free from distractions. Keep your study area organized and stocked with necessary materials. Set specific goals. Break your study material into smaller, manageable tasks. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It means smart goals for each study session. Use a study schedule. Plan your study sessions in advance and stick to a routine. Allocate specific time slots for each subject or topics. Limit distractions. Turn off notifications on your devices or use apps designed to block distractions. Consider using tools like the Pomodoro technique. It means 25 minutes of focused study followed by a 5-minute break. Take regular breaks. Allow yourself short breaks to refresh your mind and prevent burnout. Use breaks to stretch, hydrate, or have a quick snack. Stay organized. Keep track of assignments, exams, and deadlines with a planner or digital tool. Regularly review and update your study materials. Variety in study methods. Use different study techniques such as summarizing, flashcards, mind mapping, or teaching the material to someone else. Change subject or topics to keep things interesting and engaging. Practice active learning. Engage with the material through discussion, questioning, and applying concepts to real-life situations. Take notes actively rather than passively listening or reading. Stay healthy. Make sure to get enough sleep, eat healthy, and exercise regularly. Stay hydrated and take care of your mental well-being. Use positive reinforcement. Reward yourself after completing tasks or achieving goals. This can boost motivation and make studying feel more fulfilling. Stay motivated. Remind yourself of your long-term goals and the reasons you are studying. Surround yourself with supportive peers who encourage each other in their studies. Limit multitasking. Focus on one task at a time to improve concentration and retention. Multitasking can divide your attention and decrease overall productivity. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness techniques to improve your focus and reduce anxiety. Simple meditation exercise can help clear your mind before study session. Seek help when needed. If you are struggling with certain topics, don't hesitate to ask teachers, friends, or seek resources like tutorials. By implementing these ideas, you should find it easy to concentrate on your studies and improve your overall academic performance. Experiment with different techniques to see what works best for you. Thank you.